In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Maps not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to close our Apple Maps application. And now we want to go to our web browser. And from here, you want to search in Google Speed Test. And now we want to run a speed test for our internet connection because we need to have a stable internet connection to let Apple Maps work properly. So after we run a speed test and notice that we have a good internet connection, what we want to do is go to our phone settings. And from here, we want to go to our privacy settings. Now we want to tap on location services. Make sure that your location services is turned on because Apple Maps needs your location services or permission for it to access your real-time location and work properly. So the next thing we want to do is scroll down and find Maps. Make sure that the allow location access for Maps is set to while using the app. Yours may be set to never, that's why it's not working properly. So you want to set it to while using the app. And make sure that you have enabled this precise location option. So now we want to go back and go to our general settings. From here, we want to go to iPhone storage. From here, we can see all of our apps. So from here, we want to find Maps. If it still doesn't work for you, what we want to do right now is to offload our Maps application. So we want to offload it. And we want to reinstall the app. So what this does is reinstall a fresh app that is clear from bugs and other problems. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.